Brazil's Senate voted in the early hours of Wednesday to begin the last phase in the impeachment trial of Dilma Rousseff, the president who was suspended in May, setting the stage for her final removal from office. The trial in the Senate, which will be overseen by the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, is expected to take place this month. After hours of debate in the capital, Brazilian senators voted 59 to 21 to indict her on charges of budgetary manipulation, formally making her a defendant. Although only a simple majority was needed in Wednesday's vote, the number of senators that went against Ms. Rousseff exceeded the two-thirds that would be needed to oust her permanently when a final vote is held after the trial ends. She also lost the crucial support of a senator from the governing Brazilian Democratic Movement Party who had previously voted against the impeachment process. After an all-night debate in May, the Senate voted to temporarily remove Ms. Rousseff from office and to begin impeachment proceedings, sidelining the deeply unpopular leader whose sagging political fortune came to embody widespread public anger over systemic corruption and a battered economy. On Wednesday, the Senate voted to formally indict Ms. Rousseff. She has been accused of manipulating the federal budget to conceal mounting economic problems. The Senate move comes during the Summer Olympics, which are being held in Rio de Janeiro. Brazil's political upheaval resulted in some awkwardness in the first week of the Games. The interim president, Michel Temer, who took over in May after the Senate's vote to suspend Ms. Rousseff, is highly unpopular and was booed by many fans when he attended the opening ceremony last week.